Nebula. A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust in space. These clouds are often formed from the remains of stars that have died, and they can range in size from small, dense clouds to massive, diffuse ones that span many light years. Nebulae can be found throughout the galaxy and beyond, and they are important objects of study for astronomers. There are several different types of nebulae, including emission nebulae, reflection nebulae, and dark nebulae. Emission nebulae are clouds of gas that emit light as a result of ionization, often from nearby stars. These nebulae are typically pink or red in color due to the presence of ionized hydrogen. Reflection nebulae, on the other hand, do not emit light on their own but instead reflect the light of nearby stars. They are often blue in color due to the way light is scattered in the cloud. Dark nebulae, as their name suggests, are clouds of gas and dust that block light from behind them, causing. One of the most famous examples of a nebula is the Orion Nebula, which is located in the constellation Orion. This is a massive, bright emission nebula that is visible to the naked eye and is one of the closest stellar nurseries to Earth. It is home to many young stars and protoplanetary disks, which are the building blocks of planets. Nebulae are important objects of study for astronomers because they can provide insights into the processes of star formation and evolution. By studying the composition and structure of these clouds, scientists can learn about the conditions that lead to the formation of stars and the elements that make up our universe. Nebulae are typically very cold, with temperatures ranging from just a few degrees above absolute zero, -273 degrees Celsius, to a few thousand degrees Kelvin. The gas and dust in these clouds are often in a state of constant motion, with the particles colliding and interacting with each other. Nebulae can be formed in a variety of ways. For example, emission nebulae are often formed from the ionization of hydrogen gas by nearby stars, while reflection nebulae are formed from the scattering of starlight by dust particles in the cloud. Nebulae can also be associated with star clusters. For example, the Pleiades star cluster is surrounded by a reflection nebula known as the Merope Nebula. The Orion Nebula, mentioned earlier, is also associated with a star-forming region known as the Orion Molecular Cloud Complex. In addition to hydrogen gas, nebulae can contain a wide variety of other elements and compounds, including helium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and many others. Some of these elements are formed during the life and death of stars, while others are formed in the interstellar medium. Nebulae can be observed using a variety of telescopes, including optical telescopes, radio telescopes, and X-ray telescopes. Each type of telescope provides a different view of the cloud and can reveal different features and structures. Some of the most famous nebulae include the Crab Nebula, the Helix Nebula, the Cat's Eye Nebula, and the Ring Nebula. Each of these nebulae has unique characteristics and provides insights into different aspects of astrophysics and astronomy. Nebulae are not static objects and can evolve over time. For example, some emission nebulae may dissipate over time as their gas is ionized by nearby stars, while others may continue to evolve and give rise to new stars and planets. Nebulae can also be the sites of intense radiation and energy, such as those produced by supernova explosions. These explosions can create shock waves that interact with the surrounding gas and dust, producing new structures and features within the nebula. In addition to visible light, nebulae can emit radiation at other wavelengths as well, including radio waves, infrared radiation, and X-rays. Each type of radiation provides different information about the cloud and its contents. Nebulae are also the birthplaces of many of the elements in the periodic table. For example, the conditions within a nebula can be used to study the behavior of plasmas, which are a state of matter consisting of ionized gas. Finally, some scientists believe that nebulae could play a role in the formation of life in the universe. For example, the complex organic molecules found in some nebulae may have played a role in the development of life on Earth, and studying these molecules could provide insights into the origins of life in the universe. Thank you for watching, and please click subscribe.